Greetings everyone, Poopy Doopy here with another back alley review, where I tell you what medicine's good and what medicine is poo. And me, my boy Aaron, pretty sick this weekend. Why don't you tell me about it, Aaron? Yeah guys, after I fucked that damn bird, I got super sick. I don't know what, if she had some STDs or some shit, but it's got me all it's got me all fucked up, dudes. And it's like son, like father, as they say. I got sick from this little rascal, and now we're both sick, and we gotta take some medicine, right here. Let's go get medicated. So the first shit we got here is Equate daytime. Yes, Aaron, that's right. This is the the cheapest medicine we could find, non-drowsy, because we like to party still, even if we're sick. It's cold and flu. Pretty sure we got one of those, 2 STDs. Not sure if we caught the cold or the flu. This will help with headaches, coughing, chest congestion, and nasal and sinus congestion. Now I've only got 2 of these 4 things. Well, I guess 3 or 4. I only have a headache, cough, and nasal issues. My chest feels nice and it's all right. Like it's nice and squishy. It's all good. It's a little hairy around the nip area, but nowhere else. Kind of like My Name is Earl. So that's pretty unfortunate. But I mean, it feels pretty good. Like I can even take a razor to it and just kind of slide this razor. You hear all this nonsense? I'm trying to do a fucking medicine review, and there's all this fucking yelling downstairs. God damn. Can't a nigga make a movie? Fuck. But yeah, so I only got the cough, the sniffs, and I've always had a headache, which is why I'm addicted to these guys. Just fucking acetaminophen tablets. But anyways, we're here to review the cough shit, so let's get back to that. So excuse the background noise, or don't. I don't give a shit, honestly. But there's a crazy party going downstairs, and I'm up here being a cool guy reviewing cough medicine. Okay. So for a big boy like myself, a full glass or full shot is what you need to take. Let's see if this works out for me. The aroma is very sweet, that typical cough medicine scent. It's orange, so I hope it tastes like orange. It doesn't taste like orange. It's very syrupy. It tastes like any old tussin you get. But it's soothing. I can already feel the soothingness working. Like I'm not hemming anymore, which is pretty good. I don't know if that's just some sort of fucking placebo. That worked well for me. Let's try it out on Aaron. Now let's make sure on the directions here. How much do I give to a baby? I don't think it says. And I don't have the attention span to actually read the directions on medicine. What do you think this is? People reading directions on medicine? So, like, he's a baby, so he probably just needs a little tiny bit. Still got sniffles. Alright, Aaron. Drink up. There you go, buddy. That's a good boy. It's a good boy. Drink up your medicine. I'm feeling kind of better already. But it's not an instant thing, you know. It's very soothing, at least. Daddy, what's that banging? I don't know, Aaron. They're fucking going bananas. But we just oh, you got a little something. Ah, jeez, Aaron. Ah, jeez. Well, my nose is still fucked up, and I anticipated this bullshittery. Cause why would drinking something make your nose feel better? So I got the Equate nasal spray. Equate just makes fucking everything, dude. And people, oh my god, I used to work at a fucking store, and people were like, "Where's your cough medicine?" And I'd show them the fucking cheap shit, and they'd be like, "No, not that. I need Robitussin." It's like, it's the same. This is tussin. It's the same shit. Here's the ingredients. It's got one fucking ingredient. It's fucking tussin. They're like, no. Only Robitussin works. Or fucking Tylenol. Oh my god, I'll fucking shoot myself. It's like, here's the fucking store brand medicine. How about you have this? It's got the same active ingredients. Only Tylenol works for me. Branding the same shit as Tylenol magically makes my headaches go away, because I'm not actually in pain. I just think I'm in pain, and the placebo makes me all better. But I'm the fucking real deal. I'm actually in pain. Well, this is nasal moisturizing, and I don't think my nasals were dry. They were actually already pretty moist. Uh-oh. And this needs... I'm about to sneeze, I swear. Oh, Jesus. Look at what happened to Aaron. Alright, well that nasal spray didn't do dick. I'm sniffling more than ever now. I can't sneeze. Aaron's all fucking messy. God damn it. God damn it. Shit. Okay, here's for you, Aaron. Well, my nasals were actually dry, and that's pretty fucking helpful. Thanks. Thanks, Poppy. You're welcome, son. More than anything, when you're sick, you need to just sit back, relax, and just have a nice rest, and you'll probably get better. So let's go get you a bath, Aaron, and then let's go take a nap.